Hi, this video is part 1 of a series in which I will take you through a small journey with me drawing an eye and partial face. I will utilize time-lapse while also narrating from time to time, giving explanations in a step-by-step manner. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you don't want to miss the other parts of this series as they become available, please don't forget to subscribe and select the notification bell. Also, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like button. Well, I think I've got the proportions down to a reasonably okay level, but as far as the eyebrow, which won't be very thick, the upper eyelid, the iris, the pupil, the white of the eye, the lower eyelid, and the part of the face that is adjacent to the nose, I think I've got those proportions pretty well okay. Yeah, so I should be able to carry on from here. So I'm going to use an eraser pen and make a nice sharp edge around here, and then repeat the process a number of times, going further inward in a radial direction. So let's see how we go here. Yeah, so I find that no doubt many of you already know this, but the eraser pen or an eraser works so much better when the lead or the graphite has been blended out. It rubs off quite nicely. It's pretty handy having it in a pen form, this eraser. Very good. Well, unsurprisingly, it was much easier said than done, what I was trying to achieve. You might be able to see here I've got some form of ring formation happening. I did find actually that the eraser, the pencil eraser, which is, by the way, 2.3 diameter, I did find that actually helpful, and I might actually use it again in between. See this fat ring here, I might actually split that in half as well. You might be wondering why I would want to make all these rings. Well, that hopefully will become apparent further down the track. So also the pupil, this will be entirely filled in. I just wanted to make sure there was a contrast between the pupil and the surrounding area here of the iris that's right next to it. So as you can see, I've started to move on from the ring formation, and now I'm doing lines, you could call them, in the radial direction. Add a bit more shade around here. This will become darker. So I think it is starting to look like an iris now. Well, I hope you enjoyed part 1 of this drawing. I'm still progressing with it. Please consider subscribing so you won't miss out on the other parts, and also there's the little notification bell that if you hit, you'll be notified as soon as I have uploaded. Check out the description. There I will also link all the other parts as they become available.